the girl with the blonde hair, that's our breeder. The black male there, that's her dad. Yeah, that's Maja's dad. So he's from the Netherlands.
Beautiful. So her mom must be pure brown.
Her mom's all black. 2 blacks can make a brown.
Really?
Yeah. So this is like where, because she starts off with the first dog and goes down, he has to keep her kind of in that position the longest, which is the worst for us almost.
Yeah.
Because of her being a puppy. There goes Ciro with Paula. Down and back. Look at Maja. She's doing so well just standing there. Look at her. And Maja, she weighs like almost 10 pounds. Yeah. That's her sister right there. There goes Tom with Bernadette. Chris is still down with Maja, doing an excellent job.
You can keep these.
Here goes Maja. Courtesy turn, down and back. Look at the little magical dog. What a good girl. Oh, look at her. What a good girl. Here we go. Everyone's in stack position. And the judge is doing her final round. Who's gonna come in first place? Who's gonna be first? What do we have here? Oh, once around again. Everybody going around. Everybody going around. Chris and Maja, first show. What a good girl.